the analog signal, then we can say it is the signal whose intensity varies in a smooth fashion over a time, right? Over a time period of time. Or you can say that there are no breaks or no discontinuities are found when we talk about the analog signal, right? So you can see the example, right? So on the x-axis we have the time, and on the y-axis we have the amplitude that is represented in volts, right? So you can see that over a certain period of time we have represented the signal, right? And it is varying continuously, right? And there are no discontinuities, right? For example,